With AutoCAD Architecture, you can create elevations of the building models in your drawings. To begin, with a building model open, create an elevation line. An elevation line defines the extents of the elevation view of your building model. To do this, on the ribbon Home tab, Section and Elevation panel, select Elevation Line. Then, in the drawing area, pick 2 points to draw an elevation line below the building model. Right-click and from the shortcut menu, select Enter. A loading dialog displays, and then the elevation is generated. The newly created elevation view overlaps the existing model. Select the elevation and drag it to make both views visible. You can also customize the elevations. Select the elevation line and from the ribbon, click Generate Elevation. Then right-click in the drawing area and select Dialog. This opens the Generate Section Elevation dialog. Here you can choose to set the result type to 3D section elevation, which would create a 3-dimensional elevation view. If you have styles customized in the Style Manager, you can access them from the Styles to Generate dropdown. You can also adjust the placement of the elevation line. For now, click Cancel and then press Escape to end the command. Next, create a window selection box around the elevation line and the elevation view. Press Delete. To create an elevation using the Tool palettes, from the Callouts tab, Document section, click Exterior Elevation Mark A1. The program prompts you to pick a point to insert an elevation. Pick a point and then pick another point to specify the direction of the elevation, such as below the first point. The Place Callout dialog opens. Here, you can specify the name of the callout and where to create the callout. You can also choose to generate a section elevation and a title mark. In the Create In section, click Current Drawing. In the drawing area, specify the first corner of the elevation region. Create a window selection around the model. An elevation line appears. Next, pick a point to specify the insertion point of the elevation view. Again, a Generating Elevation Loading dialog appears, and then the elevation view displays. This time, the elevation view is located where you specified. Zoom into the elevation to review the title mark that is included in this method of elevation creation. Elevate your drawings with the different ways of creating elevation views in AutoCAD Architecture.